Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Eliza OS update for you guys. Eliza OS, down from our entry, but again, this is crypto, right? This is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. At the time I said, I think that was like $499 or 480 bucks to get 100,000 Eliza OS tokens. And now it's $320, right? So we're down, what, 30%? Something like that. My math is not on point, but I'm still bullish on it. Like I said, I didn't invest an amount I was gonna cry about if I lost it, right? Because I can make back $500. I can make that back. Can I make back $10,000 easily? Probably not, right? Not with how the market is going. Not with how YouTube viewership is the lowest it's been since 2021. But can I make back $500? Yes, I can. So this is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. So you don't be emotional. That's just the smart way to do it, man. You don't be emotional. You be as strategic as possible. That's why I would drive home on the channel, right? So now, if you didn't buy Eliza OS for the first time when I talked about it, you could buy 100,000 tokens now for $320. That's a steal, in my opinion, right? And I'm just doing this update for only GOAT status, right? Great support on the videos, right? Always commenting. If I share a project, he's like, yo, I bought some, right? And I love to see like the engagement from him. So he was like, yo, could you do a Eliza OS update? I got you. So let's see what people on CNC see. Roy is bullish. Roy is like, go, let's go. Okay. Users bearish thinking the price could go negative. 1Z said, how today? Kenji says, BTC dominance too strong, market gets bloody again. Yeah, it's rough. It's these market conditions from 2025 to now, the roughest market it's been for me personally. And 2022 was the bear market, and it did not feel as bad as last year. And how this year started off okay, but a lot of projects really aren't getting no type of upside or some type of strength to show like, yo, it's rough, man. It's really rough. 2025 felt way worse than 2022 for me. And I was here in 2022, man. And that was the bear market and did not feel as bad. I'll tell you that much. So, Eliza OS listed on BitThumb. Okay, that's a nice update. I did see Shaw tweet about that. BitThumb holding, coins hostage or something like that. So BitThumb listing is very bullish, right? BitThumb is very appealing to the Asian market. The Asian market uses BitThumb and Upbit the most, right? So that's great that it got that BitThumb listing. And you see, as you can see, they have Eli DeFi as well, which is has a breakdown with Eliza OS and how it helps DeFi. Wow, okay, it's very interesting. So they have like a PowerPoint here. User-owned agents, composable behaviors, cross-tool, wallet native. I'm telling you, man, this potentially could be the massive winner, man. It could be. But again, nothing is guaranteed in the space. I could be wrong. With what I think about the project. So, Shaw, Eliza OS, in cursor feels good. Remember I said Shaw did like 1 million lines of code for the project, man. 1 million lines of code for the project. Like, that is insane, man. This, I just wish people paid attention for like when cool stuff is getting done, right? Yeah, so this is where I first bought, right? And it came down to 3.2 right now. But that's okay, right? You don't lose unless you sell. So I'm looking for any new tweets, anything new. Price is down, so people are not really, you're not seeing much recent bullish momentum tweets, right? Only ones that I checked out already, because price is down. People don't want to be around when price is down. Okay, went to the latest tweets. Bought some Eliza OS here, fam. In case you didn't know, we made 100x profits back when it was called AI16Z last year. Okay, someone's bullish. Like to see that. If you're looking for a short opportunity, see Eliza OS is someone is looking for shorts, right? I can't blame them. I can't. I'm still bullish though, right? And again, I did not invest more than I was willing to lose, right? If I had 10 to 30K in this thing, I'd be like, oh no, be super emotional. I don't have a ton invested, so it's okay. I'm not emotional. That's how you really become successful in the space, man. When you could remove the emotion out of the projects, that's how you really become successful. I'm telling y'all, honestly, right? But like I said, I think this could be the $100 billion AI project, and obviously I could be wrong. I really could be, but I think it could be the $100 billion AI project and go from here to $1 to $10, right? 11 billion market cap or 10 billion market cap would put it at $1, which is very possible, but as long as Shaw puts in that work and the team puts in that work and the community stays active, that could be accomplished. It really could be. $1 from here, and obviously 100 billion market cap. Remember, I told you guys, a ton of content creators and YouTubers think that AI, there will be $100 billion AI project. They think that. And this could be the one that does it. I know, like, people are like, oh, well, it looks like a rug pull to me. It looks like a scam to me. You guys don't understand how this market works, man. It's always the one that you count out, the one that you think is a scam or a Ponzi. Those are the one that goes crazy. You just have to take profits before, something goes wrong, right? So that's pretty much it. I still think my thesis still stands, man. It still stands here. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Really appreciate all the support on the videos. You guys are the best, man. Truly are. And catch you in the next one.